Hello everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani Word of the Day. Today's word is DÄNİZ. DÄNİZ. DÄNİZ simply means sea. Let's see some phrases. By the sea. The biggest lake in the world is called a sea. Let's see what does that mean. Deniz kenarında, by the sea. Dünyanın, in the world, of the world. En büyük gölü, the biggest lake. DÄNİZ adlanır, is called a sea. That's the reason I chose this word today, and I'm gonna go into this more, so stay tuned with me. Bu, Xəzər dənizinə aiddir. Hansı ki, sahə baxımından dünyanın en büyük gölüdür. Amma ölçüsü və xüsusiyyətlərinə görə dəniz adlanır. I know it's a lot. Let's see the translation and then take it apart. This refers to the Caspian Sea, which is the world's largest lake by surface area, but due to its size and characteristics, it's called a sea. Now, it's the world's largest lake by the surface area. Due to its size and characteristics, characteristics means the water of the Caspian Sea is salty even though it's a lake. So that's why it's called a sea. Now let's break the sentence apart. Bu Xəzər dənizinə aiddir. Until the comma. This refers to the Caspian Sea, or this is about the Caspian Sea. Hansı ki, which is, sahə baxımından, due to its surface area, dünyanın en büyük gölüdür, the world's largest lake. Amma, but, ölçüsü, due to its size, və xüsusiyyətlərinə görə, and characteristics, meaning due to its characteristics, due to its size. It's called a sea, dəniz adlanır. Xüsusiyyət, characteristics, singular, xüsusiyyətlər, plural. Its characteristics, xüsusiyyətlərinə. Let's see another much more simpler sentence. Bugün dəniz kənarında gəzintiyə çıxırıq. Today, we already know, bugün. Dəniz kənarında, by the sea, gəzintiyə çıxırıq. Going for a walk. But how do you know it's us? We are doing it. So çıxmaq, infinitive form, to go out basically. Çıxır is going out. Çıxırıq, us. Çıxırıq, us going out. That's how you know it's we are doing the action. All right? That was today's word, Deniz. Thanks for watching with me, but remember, you don't have to use the full thing in full Azerbaijani sentence. Something like this. My weekend plans drifted into the Deniz, just like my motivation. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure to come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, check masterazerbaijani.com for more. Cheers.